going on, guys? Mojo here. Today we're going to be working on my Toyota Tacoma, one of my babies. I've been having a stuttered start issue, kind of like a stuttering start. So I diagnosed the problem, realized I had corroded terminals as well as a bad battery. So I'm going to show you how to clean terminals and replace the battery as best way you can properly by yourself. That way you can get a cheaper battery from online or a store that may not replace the battery yourself. Or maybe you want to do it yourself because you want to make sure you do a good job. As you can see, there's some major corrosion going on there. I've already started cleaning off some of it, just because I had to get home. But now I'm going to replace the battery and clean the terminals a lot better. As you can see, my battery is very old. Most batteries will have some kind of sticker on there to tell you what month and year the battery was bought for warranty purposes. So that was almost 5 years ago now, and it lasted this long. So I pretty much got my money's worth out of this battery. So that was good. The brand of this battery was Autocraft. I don't think I've had an Autocraft battery before, so I can't comment on their reliability, but as you can see, this one held up pretty well. It corroded pretty well too, but we're going to fix all that. First thing you want to do if you have a Tacoma in particular, but most batteries, is using a 10 millimeter, or for American standard size, if you have an American car, maybe a 3/8 or a 1/4 inch for your battery terminal. Just put it on there and then make sure you follow the lefty-loosey, righty-tighty rule, and just start working it off. This one's a lot of corrosion, so this one is a little tougher than what it should be to get this off, but it's not too bad. It's not too bad at all. As you can see, I'm taking off the negative portion first. That's important. Take that one off first. You don't want to any kind of major spark. Always take the negative off first. That breaks the current. Like you see, it's pretty loose. I'm gonna take off just a little bit more. I should be able to get this off. I got the negative terminal off. See a lot of corrosion there. A lot of corrosion in there. We're gonna clean all that off. Taking the positive terminal off. A lot of corrosion there. I'm gonna give that a good cleaning. And now I have to take off the hold downs for the battery. There's 2 bolts. Usually on most cars, 2 bolts. You just take them off. I only had to take off 1 bolt, and I was able to loosen that one just a little bit, and twist the hold down bracket away from the battery. So now I'm going to take it off. I'm going to use this tool. It's a wire brush. See, it has metal bristles. This is about a $3 tool. You can pick it up from any auto parts store, Walmart, maybe Target. I'm not sure about Target, but it's really cheap. Use this to brush down the terminals as well. Here's the new battery. Here you can see new batteries in. Terminals have been cleaned off pretty well. I still gotta get in there and get some of that extra corrosion around the bolt off, but that's not that bad. I cleaned all the inside for the contact terminals as well as that one. There's still some green, as you can see, on these terminals, but that's patining of the copper, so you don't have to really worry about that too much. I do plan on replacing that because you see the bolt is pretty corroded, so it might make it harder to get off in the future, and it's best to attack things when you see they're about to go bad than after the fact. And as you see, I have another Autocraft battery. This one has a 3-year warranty, and hopefully it lasts, you know, at least 3 or 4 years, and maybe even, you know, 5 as the other one did. That would be good. Alright, so that concludes the replacing of the battery and the cleaning of the terminals. If you have any questions, please shoot a comment down below. This was a pretty quick video, and this is a pretty quick procedure that you can do yourself. Just remember, some key points are when you're replacing a battery, make sure that you remove any kind of corrosion before you install your new battery, so that you're getting the most juice and power out of your battery. Also, make sure you're removing the negative terminal first. That way you're breaking the connection. If power doesn't flow, if it's not grounded. Starting to make some more videos. It's getting warmer here in North Carolina, so that should be pretty good. Definitely have a lot of videos for my car, my Honda. There's a lot of things I need to do to that just to make it nicer. It runs well, but I need to make it look just as nice as it runs. So I'll be working on that. And yeah, just look out for those new other videos. Remember, subscribe or comment down below, and look forward to hearing from you.